the newsprint's kind of rubbing off on the yellow a little bit. So I don't think this is overspray. I think it's
just dirt and shit.
The newsprint. Hello. Am I on your way? Huh.
I'm working for the
Not a very good one.
I know, it's just too late. How you doing?
Too bad.
Good. Stand on top.
What's that?
Your middle name.
No, it's not. My real name's Arthur.
Okay.
I'm filming the unveiling of the number.
Oh, okay.
This is a documentary, yeah. The making of the car.
Okay.
I'm gonna send it to the guys.
So you're using that as a stencil and then you're going to spray paint in the letters?
Yeah, we're going to spray paint inside of here.
Okay.
But this one, the V is, if you look at the
color of the...
Yeah,
so
the
you're
car.
doing that one.
It's yellow on yellow, so we had to do
An outline. That looks really, really good. Looks like a cake.
Like a cake.
Looks like a cake.
Let's eat it.
The energy dome.
Dang.
Dun, dun, dun.
So what'd you use to cut these?
It's called a plotter.
Uh-huh.